Okay, good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's get right to it. Yes, let's get right to it. We got FRGT in the house. This one was really the best trade for today. We already took profit on it earlier today in the pre-market live streaming. Good morning, everybody. I'm here. Yes, how everybody doing? We got good morning, Lizzie, every time coming first. LG. Abhi, good morning. BTOG and team. Yes, have earnings yesterday. Yeah, FRGT was great in the morning. Amis, good morning. Yes, Amis took his profit in and out in pre-market like us. We did really great hunt for it. Greeting everybody. Don't forget to hit the like, guys. Support the channel on the way in. Don't forget. Let's get right to it. The market, it is doing crazy right now before even the market open. FRGT, it is number one. KIDS, number two, reverse from our first support, the 740. We got CNEY breaking the first support, is going to the second. NVNI, still nothing. PTOG, still nothing, holding the support here. ZCAR trying to break the trend, but still inside the bearish trend. Webull still holding. Okay, so our PLRZ looking interesting here. Might be good for a reversal from this dip. Good morning, everybody. Yesterday we have a huge day here for Amazon, which reversing on the green side. Tim is reversing as well, guys, from the dip, testing the first profit take. And we discussed this one early. We said the 196 is the resistance. We broke from it. Now we have another resistance around the 206. This level we should break at the market open to go toward the ultimate target for a reversal around the 220, for my opinion, for this one. If you're wondering, Tim have earnings yesterday after hours with ABMB. ABMB is going on the green side as well. We have a little support to hold at the market open over the 116. Yeah, the market's doing crazy right now. We got SMCI jumping up, Tesla jumping up. We have a bit of green in the markets. Hopefully, we're gonna have a continuation for this green side. Look at that, the SPY doing fantastic. Jumping for a new high, guys. Looking crazy good here. Yeah, the SPY looking crazy good. Exactly. We got a nice jump here for the SPY. We might have another jump for today before the market close on Friday. We have a huge green ahead, green day ahead, guys, for the markets. Everything's reversing. So, good morning, everybody. Let's see everybody tuning in. Today, guys, FRGT was the main event for today. We already discussed it early on in our pre-market live streaming. Ahmed already took his profit on FRGT twice, as we discussed early on our live streaming today, guys. As you can see here, nice hunt, Ahmed. We got another requested stock from Ahmed, RSLS. Yeah, RSLS. Don't ask about kids. Great hunt yesterday, Dant. Yeah, we have a great hunt yesterday. Great hunt for 54%. You are welcome, man. You are welcome. Okay, so let us check RSLS and kids. Kids first because it's still holding the support at the right now. We got a resistance to test at the market open, man, around the 930. So we might have a little push for kids toward this level. If we don't break it, could be a good exit zone, because if we didn't break the 930, is mean we're gonna go down to test the 447, and if we don't hold, the best entry after that during the market open is the 642, which is the current support reversal at the moment for kids. Kids was really great yesterday because we did the short update for our hunters here. Yesterday we did for kids Zcar, BTOG, a lot of stocks, and kids hit our profit taking from yesterday. We suggest for entry around the $3.30 and went until the $10. RSLS, RSLS. Let's check this one. RSLS, what a crazy jump. Yeah, this one hit the profit taken around the 61. Now have a support. Yeah, I'm gonna adjust the resistance now around the 61. Current support, everybody, it is around the 49. Yeah, 49. Profit taken currently around the 65 and 72 and 84. Yeah, we got three levels for this stock to go to. For now, we have to hold over the 49 for it to reverse. So our SLS, I will keep it on the main list here. Thank you, brother, for bringing this to us. Look really good. FNGR, PTBI, FNGR. MLGO is moving. FNGR, PTPI. Let's check those if they are good. No, PTPI not good. FNGR no good as well, man. Yeah, it's jumping 10%, but I don't like the technical for now. For now, it is too dangerous. Have to break the 3.16 to be good for me to trade. Yeah, for now, it is too dangerous. Have earnings coming up after 20 days, I think. But yeah, for now, we got FRGT and RSLS. Those the top two stocks for today. The rest are weak, like CNAY is a bit weak here. NVNI, it is a bit weak. PTOG, the same. Zcar, RNAZ, CEB. Yeah, I'm gonna keep the mains. So yeah, we only have three stocks for the unicorn, guys. Ahmed asked about IBO. Not IPO, but IBO. Initial public offering. Nope, not good, man. 38%, but it's not good for the technical. It is heavily shorted. The seller is still around the 70 cents, so it is too risky to play this one. Current profit is around the 86 and $1.15 if we jumped. But for now, it is too risky to play. Too risky, man, too risky. Yeah, too risky to play for now. So I'm gonna take it from the list. Yeah, the top one is RSLS and FRGT. You are welcome, Ahmed. Yeah, FRGT is still strong, but I expect a huge pullback, guys, for it at the market open because it's overextended here. However, whatever the case will be, we should be ready for a jump. PTOG is not good, man. I don't like it for that much. If it held the 1950 would be great for a breakout from the 23. For now, I don't like it that much. It is a bit slow. Good morning, Santush. Why kids is weak? Because it went to a major resistance yesterday. It was overextended, man. Yesterday we did 400%. What do you expect? What do you expect after a rocket go and break the the atmosphere and stratosphere and escape the gravity of the Earth? What you expect from the rocket do? Losing all the energy. You need to have another rocket. Exactly, yeah. Guys, don't forget to hit the like on the way in. The market doing really good today. Look at the volume, man. This is crazy in pre-market. FRGT 75 million. The other one 45, 40, 112, 193. Crazy. CNEY. Do we have CNEY here? Yeah, I took it from the list. I think this one, yeah, it's pulling back a lot now. I think this is the volume of shorts opened. RSLS is pulling back a lot right now. Top pre-market gainer. We have kids. We got no. Okay, we don't have a lot. Okay, RSLS guys is pulling back a lot right now. We have a nice test for the support around the 48 and reversal. FRGT neutral, kids neutral. So the top stocks, as we said, guys, for today, PLRZ is doing something drastic here. We have a little breakout. I don't like this one that much, man. I don't trust it that much here. That's why it's not on our main list, even though it is the top gainer, 100 something. But I don't like the movement. Yeah. There is a reverse split coming, 1 to 10. That's why we have activity. Yeah, it's jumping like crazy right now. Kids, guys, we spotted this weakness in the chart early on today. Here, we suggest for exit. We already took profit on kids yesterday, and even our hunters took their profit on it. Great hunt, my brother Ahmed. Today, FRGT was the day for FRGT, and yesterday was for, of course, it was for kids. Yeah, kids did really great yesterday. And we did the chart analysis update for our hunters yesterday, as you can see here, before the market close. And we suggest for entry around the $3.30. As a reminder, guys, we always do update for those stocks early on or after we finish the live streaming, we always do our update on our Discord and bit channel. I will put the link down below to our community if you want to join. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. MLGO, what a crazy pullback for MLGO, guys. Be careful, guys. Don't get trapped in a reversal for MLGO. We got the seller. We got a huge seller for PLRZ right there around the 64. And VNI is pulling back a lot after we broke this trend here. Continue the flush. I think we're gonna have a nice reversal today if we broke the 34. Our Reshape Life Science had a nice buyer here over the 48. This one could be good as well for today. Okay, let's check MLGO. Many of you asking about it, if it's started to reverse from the bottom. I think we already got it, but on the other side. Yeah, it started to move a bit, but it's not near my bottom, guys. The bottom is around the $3.80. We didn't test it yet. We got a major seller around the 591. So if we don't break this level, we're gonna go down more. So it's not reversing yet. So MLGO, I'm gonna keep it on the waiting list here because it might reverse. CEB is still strong. Double checking if we got a hidden unicorn here. I think we don't have hidden unicorn except for those stocks. So the top, as we discussed, guys, is RSLS, FRGT, and KIGS. Those the top three. The other stocks that have earnings at the moment is APMB, guys. It could have a nice reversal before the market open. ABMB, guys, I expect a major seller around the 122. Current target for today is the 125. Team is the same, 10% down. Imagine if we broke the 205, this one could reverse big time, guys. Yeah, it could reverse big time. we might have the same reaction that happened for SMCI reversal like this. You see, huge reversal for SMCI. Today we might go on the green side for SMCI and go over the 36 would be great. SMCI will be great for today. The reason is because the SPY doing really great, jumping 1%. The whole market jumping. But again, guys, we might have a mixed feeling. Once the market open, we might turn to red because all the stocks are technically below a critical resistance. For the SPY is the 570. So now we up 1%. If we have another 1%, if you see the SPY over 2%, guys, hallelujah. This means we're gonna have a huge green. If we didn't, it means we're gonna go on the red side for today. Okay, we got a few minutes left, guys. Hit the like button on the way in, guys. Don't forget, we got a few minutes left at the market open. Let us bring our disclaimer. First of all, before we forget, for today, 2 minutes left, guys. So remember, guys, so we are not financial advisors. So always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. Today is Friday. We have a few stocks to watch, almost 3 unicorn. So hit the like button on the way in, guys, because we always go live 30 minutes every day before the market open. Tomorrow the market is closed, so we're not gonna do live streaming next Monday. For now, remember, we always go live early on before this live streaming, and we do watch list video every day on our Discord. Yesterday, we did the update for kids. We suggest for entry around the $3.30. Already suggest to take profit. Ahmed make the killing yesterday on this trade. Shout out to Ahmed, my brother, one of our elite members. Thank you for the support, brother. And of course, every day there's opportunity, so it's not just today. Every day there's opportunity for another unicorn. For now, we got those few unicorn to watch: kids, FRGT, and the other one is RSLS. Might put A, B, and B here, and team, because they have earnings. Aha, A, B, and B going crazy up, and TEM is going crazy down. Good morning, everybody. We got a huge reversal here. RSLS, nothing. FRGT, still nothing. Yeah, the market is about to open at any second. You see what's happened here? We have a huge test, guys. Huge test and rejection for TEM. If we broke this level, we're gonna have a huge reversal for TEM. Three, two, one. Let's go. TEM is still testing. ABNB is still testing as well. This is it. Now or never for a reversal. RSLS is still no breakouts. Kids is pulling back a lot, guys. Here we have a huge pullback for kids. I think it's gonna go toward the 640. ABMB, no breakouts yet. TEM, still no breakouts. ABMB, no breakouts. PLRZ, it could be a good for breakouts. So for now, MLGO is started to reverse a bit. Yeah, Zcard could be good with the PLRZ, guys. ABMB going on the green side, guys. We might have a green day for ABMB if it broke this current resistance, the 125. So far, so good for ABMB if it's held over this support, the 120. TEM, guys, we need to break the 206 to squeeze up. Yeah, 206 for this one to squeeze to Falahala. Let's check the market as a whole. Wow, the market doing crazy good, guys. SMCI green, Palantir 3% before the earnings. Right, squeezing. Crypto stock doing a great, especially Riot. Riot doing crazy good. Yeah, it's breaking the resistance, right? Is going to the other resistance. Wait a second. Yeah, this is the resistance still been tested, I think. Now the current resistance, the just below the 9. So far, so good for the SPY and the whole market, guys, doing crazy good. Let's see Apple and yeah, Apple is still down. Amazon still down. Yeah, TEM is going up finally. Yeah, we're gonna have a nice reversal for TEM. So the current support at the moment is the 202. Current resistance, it might be around the 220. ABMB is going on the green side, guys. It might test the 126 and then pull back. RSLS, nothing much, still holding. Okay, let's see. AMI stock profit on PLRZ, great. We got Wolf, Adile, we got a lot of requested stocks. DJT, still nothing. It still need to break the 2670. Wolf, 13%. Yes, still the resistance below the 490. Current support is the 325. Target is around yeah, the 590 or just below, around the 545 and the $6. This is target for Wolf, but I don't like it that much. Yeah, team still waiting for a more reversal. ABMB, we might have a pullback for ABMB now. Wow, Bitcoin is getting near the 100,000. Why all the stocks go down at the same time, man? It's like someone trading the stock with one button. See with me, guys. TEM, ABNB just pulled back at the same second. It's show me that the market has been manipulated by one, not trader, but by one whale. So, like one button selling all the stocks. So I think there's someone buying and selling this buy, and this is kind of affect the price action for individual stock, guys. There's some whale just buying SPY and selling the SPY. When they selling the SPY, the whole market going down, whatever stock you're trading, except for the unicorn stock, which is not inside the basket of the blue chip company. So that's why PRLZ, you see, is not directly affected by the pullback of the SPY. So the unicorn is kind of hedge for the market, for my opinion. Hedge for the market. You see, ABNB and TIM is going down at the same moment. Anyway, let's see. Everything's pulling back as you can see here, guys. SMCI, Palantir, Mara. SMCI getting near the breakout here. ABNB, if it's held over the 120.70, will be good for a reversal. The same for TIM. We have a question, HIMS. HIMS. Wow. Yeah, we have a little breakout. It's going toward the 39.40, brother. This is a current resistance. Current support 36.24. Current bottom it is the 31.90. Profit is around 41.50 for HIMS. RSLS is getting dangerous. It's pulling back a lot. If RGT is still strong, kids is still strong. Started to reverse like no tomorrow. PLRZ still holding. Yeah, Zcar started to reverse. NVNI started to reverse a bit. MLGO pulled back. You see, guys, it's pulling back. Okay, ABNB, we got a huge pullback. So it's not that good here. Yeah. SPY pulling back, Tesla pulling back, but still we don't have a huge pullback for the market. SPY still holding. Gonna put alerts for both those stocks just in case if we push down. Yeah, ABNB is about to flush. If we don't hold the 120, it would be game over. So the resistance was around the 123. Sneaky short sellers. Anyway, FRGT still holding. Kids, I think it's halted, guys. Let's see the stock that got halted right now. I think we got LIMN got halted. Kids is halted. Let's check LIMN. I think it was halted yesterday as well. Oh no, I think it's a new IPO. You see, guys, ABNB reversed from our support nicely. Guys, kids, it is about to test a critical zone around the 930. If we don't break this resistance, we're gonna go down. Plain and simple. If we don't hold, we're gonna go down like a paper. Look at this, really good reversal from the support, the 749. So kids is on the top list. TEM, guys, TEAM could be good for reversal now. 220 or 202.22 is really good support. Target is just 220. This is the target that we might go to. We have unrealistic panic selling yesterday, like that happened for SMCI after the earnings. And now we have a correction. We went down 16%. Right now we are getting back half from this loss. Because if we calculate here, almost 11%. Wow. So now it's going back on the green side, guys. I expect a pullback here around the 219 for 10. The same for ABMB. Look good for reversal if we held the 120. Both of them have earnings, guys. Kids is unhalted right now and it's still below the $9.33. Guys, Kids was really good from yesterday. If you don't know, now you should know. We already discussed it yesterday for entry around the $3.30. It was great hunt for our hunters from yesterday, guys. It was a really good hunt for yesterday. Dan made a killing yesterday about the stock. And now is time for a little pullback. I expect a pullback, guys. Here, if we jump from the 933, we might get halted up again, but I prefer for this stock to go down better. TEM is going up nicely. ABMB is still holding. PLRZ is halted. Holy baloney. What's going on with PLRZ? Holy baloney is jumping, squeezing. Guys, PLRZ is squeezing toward the 87 and the $1. God, this one, it is going to Falahala. PLRZ is going to Falahala, guys. FRGT is going down. Kids is still up. RSLS is not good anymore here. I'm gonna lower the resistance around 51. So I'm gonna keep, just bear with me here. I'm gonna keep Kids and PLRZ are the top ones. TEM, guys, did really great reversal, phenomenal reversal at the moment, recovering a lot from yesterday, man. A lot, recovering a lot from the huge dip that we did yesterday. Let's see the market here. Yeah, the market is in green. SMCI, Tesla, Palantir going on the green. Palantir testing a resistance now around the 121. Would be great if we tested the 125 before the earnings. We have earnings coming up on Monday after hours, guys. If Palantir broke the 125 before the earnings, will be a huge, man. Huge sign for a strength. But I expect a test before the earnings and a flush after the earnings for a correction. If we have phenomenal earnings, we might break after that and do a new high. We have a huge expectation for the Palantir. Yeah, ABMB guys is going up again. Phenomenal work. Tim is going toward the 220, and after that we might flush. Not bad. PLRZ testing our profit taken. PLRZ is going, guys. PLRZ is going to the top. So we got PLRZ is getting near the top target, the $1, and we got kids. FRGT testing the support. Zcar is preparing here. So yeah, we don't have many stocks. The rest are pulling back, but yeah, PLRZ it is the one. TIM is getting near a major resistance. APMB the same. Yeah, TIM is still jumping, guys. Yeah, this is it. $1.04 should be a major resistance. We might have a pullback for PLRZ. TIM, yeah, is the same. We expect a pullback soon around the 220. Let's see if with the market doing all right here. The market is pulling back a lot for SMCI, Tesla pulling back, Coinbase pulling back, SPY is pulling back, but it's not big deal. The most important thing is TIM. TIM could be good if we tested the 290 would be great, but I think I feel a bit of weakness from the market. Yeah, PLRZ is getting near the resistance. Always take your profit. Don't decide or don't say I wish or I wishn't or I weren't or I could have not. This one is unpredictable, brother. The price that's here we got big seller or big buyer just came in before the halt. Plus we have a big seller covering up in the dark pool, which was really hard to notice on the chart. So this jump, if you want to do it again or go to another universe, this stock could have actually flushed down. So never say I could have not, or I shouldn't. Always take profit before and take the rest after that. So if you want to lower the risk the next time, just take 50% before the exit, just in case, to lower your risk. Yeah, PLRZ is getting near the top price at the moment, the 104, 105. Expect a pullback after that for correction. The correction will come at any moment, so we have to be patient. Tim is pulling back a bit. Kids is pulling back. Everything's pulling back except for PLRZ because we have FOMO. Tim, I needed to go toward the 220 before a pullback would be great. Yeah, the 220 would be a really great price to test. And the trick is the market is pulling back a lot now, so this is will might drag the market down. Yeah, we have a big seller. Palantir, holy baloney. Still jumping, guys. This is crazy what's going on with Palantir. Unpredictable. This is what FOMO look like. A lot of people feeling FOMO about Palantir. It was down a lot few days ago, few weeks ago. It was below the $70, I think. Yeah, now it's 120. Yeah, look at that. It was below the 85. Let's see. Yeah, it was below the $70, man. Almost doubled. Almost doubled since 1 month ago. Yeah, just 1 month did crazy jump. So yeah, there's FOMO for Palantir, guys. Yeah, Amazon tested the resistance and went down. FUBO testing a major support. Yeah, kids is flashing, guys. Is going down now. As we predicted, we said the 930 is the resistance. We didn't break it. For now, the top is FRGT, kids, PLRZ. Those the stocks that could be good for today. The rest I don't like. Like PTOG now is not good anymore. WW could be good for reversal. Yeah, started to have a little a reversal. CEB is still jumping. This one is strangely strong, guys. Strangely strong. RNAZ is not good anymore. Webull is still weak. WW, light on volume. MVNI, not for now. MLGO is still, yeah, still going to the bottom. Zcar, no action. So yeah, this is leave us with this list. Guys, look at that. Our PLRZ tested our resistance. This is it for PLRZ, guys. I expect a huge pullback now. I expect a huge pullback for PLRZ. For my opinion, this should be the top target before a flush. We have limit to buy just 700 shares. And now it's pulling back really quickly, man. Look. Yeah, it's pulled back a lot. Yeah, this is it, guys. I think the $1, it is the current resistance before a flush. Let's see if we have a little retest. $99. $1 again. Wow, the $1 is really strong level, guys. Yeah, this is it, guys. $1, it is the level. Let's check Tim. Yeah, Tim, I think is gonna go down big now. It's gonna correct as well. Yeah, this is it, man. Tim is gonna go to the depths. Kids is halted down. Let's see how many stock got halted down or halted up. We can't see here, but we have to check NEOV. NEOV. So our list getting smaller and smaller by the minute. We got PLRZ, guys. It is about to flush right now from the 105. Kids is already flush because the short seller entered here around the 930. We're watching for a reversal dip to enter. FRGT is holding the support tightly. This is it. This is the only stock that look fantastic for now. The rest is history. Ahmed, IBO. I don't like it, man. We already discussed it. Where have you been, man? IBO, yeah, it jumped, but I don't like it, man. I don't like it. Even it jumped 300%. I can't trade this one. The levels are not strong. And jumping on a bit of uncertainty. So I don't like the trend. That's it. Yeah, I know 100%, but if it doesn't fit my strategy, I will pass. Because if we entered right now, the pullback will be huge, man. The support is a bit far around the 60. Even though right now it's 120. Maybe I will check it later. But for now, I don't like it. PLRZ is pulling back, guys, right around our resistance. Kids, the same of RGT. Let us check if we got something else going on in the market. Top gainer for today, we got kids, ADBT. I think ADBT had earnings. Yes, had earnings yesterday after hours. 30%. Market cap, 1 billion. Wow, went until the $10. Yeah, this is it. I think the $10 is psychological level. This one, it could be good for a pullback a bit. Yeah, it hit a huge level of resistance. I will be close. I will watch it close for this breakout around the $10. If we broke it, would be another jump for it. There is another jump happening. For now, it could pull back toward 869. Yeah, PLRZ, guys, as we said, time for a pullback. Time for a pullback. ADIL, a dial is not my cup of tea as well. Is not my cup of tea, brother. It's too risky. Too risky play. But if you want to play it anyway, watch out for the 122 as a resistant. Support 80 cents and the profit taken 140, 170. Any update on SMCI? Yes, SMCI, nothing much, man. Didn't break the 34. The current resistance is the 34. The current support is the 31.21. So now we need to break the 34 to go toward the 36 for a confirming a reversal. But for today, nothing much. Palantir, guys, is going toward the 125 before the market close for today. This will be crazy, man. Yeah, we have FOMO, guys. A lot of people jumping on this play because they know Palantir, it might have a huge earnings. So everybody buying Palantir before the earnings. That's what's happened with when FOMO kicks in. Exactly. Right, and Palantir, we got FOMO for both of them. One had earnings and one wait for the earnings. Kids is unhalted and still holding the support. You are welcome, Prophet. If RGT is still pulling back. IBO, wow, it hit the profit taken around the 91 and pull back now. What an interesting pullback. Now we got support here for it and there. RSLS is still going up slowly. I don't trust this one that much. I have a trust issue with this. CEB, the same, I have a huge trust issue. A dial, I don't trust it that much as well. WW, not for today, it's a bit slow. Don't ask about kids. For kids, brother, watch out for the reversal right now over the 640. We expect the reversal here. And resistance is around the 780 or just below the 8, because if we got you shorted, this means we're going to go down toward the 537 and 460 to reverse. Prophet, great. Thank you, man. Have a nice weekend as well. Enjoy. See you back on Monday. Yeah. Yeah, the market not really making clear move, except for Palantir is clear, is going up before the earnings. We have a huge FOMO for Palantir, but it's getting really risky now. It's getting near a resistance around the 125, so expect a pullback. Expect a pullback before the earnings, maybe on Monday or today before the market close. We need a correction, guys, because now is too much. It is too much here. I'm not saying it's too expensive, because we learned from our lesson last time. Last earnings, the stock was overextended and jumped again for a new all-time high and never reversed. So now we have a situationship right now for Palantir for a correction. And it was good timing for Palantir to squeeze, because the SPY is doing a great now by correcting from the bottom. What a day, man. What a day. Anyway, guys, we have to wrap up our live streaming for now. It was pleasure to cover the hunt with you guys. Remember, we're gonna do update later on our Discord and Bitcheon before the market close for today. And see you all back on Monday, 30 minutes before the market open, and almost 2 hours before the market open on our Discord and Bitcheon to discuss the market in depth, like what we did yesterday for many stocks, and kids was one of them, because we covered it yesterday around the $3.30. So the update we're gonna do today for kids and other stocks to buy the dip and reversal, and update the levels, because the chart will be updated later on, because I expect another opportunity later on will come up. And if it come up, we're gonna update you guys for the best entry and exit for those stocks. So don't forget the link in comment section below to our Discord and Patreon. And thank you for watching, everybody, and see you back by Monday.